Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are in place. Your app is signed with the release key, and the package ID matches server records. Next, publish a version update manifest on a secure HTTPS endpoint with token authentication, so the app can poll safely. Then implement a tiny client check routine that runs on startup and at scheduled intervals. This is the first actionable step. Call the manifest, compare semantic versions, and decide whether to download. Once done, proceed to the update delivery setup. Now you implement the delivery and installation logic. Use Delta updates to reduce bandwidth, because smaller patches mean faster, more reliable installs. Once an update is detected, download to secure temp storage and immediately verify checksum and digital signature to prevent tampering. After validation, invoke the platform's background installation API or your in-app updater flow. Make sure to queue restarts or staged rollouts to avoid breaking sessions. If the platform requires user consent, finish by applying staging, monitoring, and safe rollback. Release the update to a small percentage first, watch error metrics, and increase exposure once stable. Make sure the client keeps the last known good bundle and can revert automatically if integrity checks fail. This prevents bricking. Log update events and send alerts to your monitoring system so you spot regressions quickly. If an automatic update repeatedly fails, provide a clear manual retry and recovery path for the user. That single troubleshooting tip will save many support calls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.